So let me show you how the principle of reducing works when you are solving algebraic expressions. For example, we've got this problem 25x equals 100 times 11. And you may be tempted to go ahead and multiply 100 times 11, which would give you 1100. And then, of course, you keep 25x on the other side. And then in order to solve for x, we have to divide both sides by 25. And you find yourself with an expression that you have to solve. And if you don't have a calculator, 1100 divided by 25 is quite a feat. If you have a calculator, of course, it's very simple to calculate that the answer is actually 44. But since on a standardized test that is strictly timed, you won't have the benefit of a calculator, I will go ahead and tell you that this is not the most efficient way of going about things, and let's take a look at a much better way. So in this situation, we have the same problem, but I decide to leave 100 times 11, just that, 100 times 11, and then go ahead and look at the 25, which means we're going to have to divide both sides by 25, and again end up with a fraction on the right-hand side. So now, if you take a look at this expression, 100 times 11 over 25, well, it's easy to recognize that 125 have a factor of 25 in common. Just like 4 quarters go into $1, 4 25s go into 100. So 25 divided by 25 is going to give us 1, and 100 by 25 is going to give us 4. So now what we have to do to figure out x is simply calculate 4 times 11, which gives us a 44, and we end up with a solution much faster and more likely to be correct than the other solution method I showed you earlier.